Well, hello there, holiday ramblers. Coming to you from Fort Hobo Snowblow. Been trudging a path through here. Gonna see if I can get the snowblower started. Haven't used it in 2 years. But today I finally saw what I know to be hydrocarbons coming out of my diesel heater. And without this diesel heater, I would cease to exist. So I was going to actually check to see if I'd see any carbon coming out. They're notorious for getting plugged up. Even though I've ran mine 3 years, kept me alive, it's never failed me. It's always been awesome. So we're gonna turn this sucker all the way up, and then we're gonna hit the muffler and see what comes out. Yes. Takes a little bit for it to ramp up, but I'm gonna let it burn hot for a little while. Then we're gonna tap the exhaust and see if anything comes out. I want to keep my heater healthy because it's the reason I stay alive. It lives in there. Hello. I broke the electric start 1 year, so I'm gonna have to wrap a rope around here or find maybe a nut that fits in there. Or a socket I meant, but I don't know if I'll really get this thing started. This electric starter does work a little bit, so maybe I could turn it over enough to get the engine warm. It's really cold, even though I know this thing ran awesome. Okay, our weapon of choice, the Mighty... Oh, that's frozen solid. This one wasn't. The Mighty Stick or board. Alright, let's give it a love tap. Oh, did you see that? I knew it. That's amazing. Oh my god. Oh, here's maintenance tip for you. You guys see that? Wow, so I am sooting up. Damn. I should go beyond the parameters of the settings I have on this heater and turn it up even higher, and then see if we get more to come out. Parameters. Listen to me, I'm like some kind of genius now. Oh man, I got really lucky. This pull start actually turns the motor over. I already tested it. If I could just rig it up, give it a little oil. Tommy, you are a genius. That's what your lungs look like on tobacco. Nice shot of the icicles.